Hey friends, yeah, don't look at my hair. It's been a busy day. It's Valentine's Day and I'm making a Valentine's Day dinner for Daddy, but nothing really spectacular, just something different for this time of year. I'm going to make grilled steaks but what this video is about is the cucumber tomato salad. These are the steaks. They were on sale for $3 off, so I only paid $6 a piece for them. But here's the salad, and I'm keeping it really simple. I saw this on Facebook, and it tickled my palate. So I've got an English cucumber. I'm using sweet grape tomatoes for the simple reason is store-bought tomatoes, bigger ones at this time of year, are usually grainy and pink and lacking in flavor, but the smaller ones seems to taste better. So I have just a little bit of white vinegar. You can use cider vinegar would be preferable, but I don't have any. We have salt, pepper, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and some sugar, and some garlic. Let's get started. Now the steaks are the easy part. I'm not going to show you the cooking of dinner and all that stuff. I'm just showing you basically what is for dinner. This video is basically showcasing the salad, but oil, right. Okay, so for the steaks, I'm just gonna, lots of pepper and salt. Salt loves meat, meat loves salt. And salt is the best tenderizer. And just a little bit of oil. And just flip them around a couple of times, and these can go right into the fridge. To marinate. Now first things first, I'm going to take this 1/4 cup of white vinegar and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup, okay, let's say 1/8 of a cup each. 1/8 of a cup oil, 1/8 of a cup vinegar, and to that vinegar I'm just going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Then I'm going to take a tablespoon of my organic sugar, and I am just going to stir that all together and set it aside and let it do its business. All right. Oh, almost forgot, a little bit of celery seed, but a 1/4 teaspoon. You season yours the way you like it, okay? So we've got vinegar, oil, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic. That's going to make a lovely marinade. Okay, now, well, I tried to make hearts, but ain't happening, so we're just gonna cut them up. I use English cucumber because I can, wrong knife, so we're just going to cut this up. I tried to cut it in hearts, but my fancy peeler that I got from Facebook died. I could eat these like grapes. Well, maybe that's why they're called grape tomatoes. Now, I don't know if this is the exact recipe from Facebook, but I'm just kind of winging it. All right, let's put this aside for a second. You get a nice sweet red onion. A lot of people like it's sliced in rings. I don't slice rings very well. So all I'm going to do is do my absolute best to slice it in half rings. Very, very thinly. You really want, unless you like the bite of a stronger onion, you really want the sweet red onion. You don't need a lot. This is only for 2 people. Onion in there. Isn't that beautiful? Now, and I'm going to save a couple of pieces for the top because I know how things stir. They never look as pretty after you stir them as when you first layer them in. So I'm going to stir this up and I'm just going to pour that all over there. There we go. We don't even need all of it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And just a light dusting of Italian seasoning on top. Be light with the Italian seasoning, folks. And there is our marinated cucumber tomato salad. Couple of small steaks on sale. Couple of sweet potatoes steaming in the crock pot. And a cucumber tomato marinated salad. Happy Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's Day.
And to you.
Now, how did you like the cucumber tomato salad?
It was awesome. And you have a little tiny bit left in the fridge.
Oh, so you had seconds, did you?
I had seconds, yeah.
There you go. This is the Mrs. Wolfe from our half-acre homestead saying we knew we were craving something, eh, honey?
Yep.
And it was
Vegetables.
vegetables. Happy Valentine's Day. Take care, God. Give Daddy kisses. Oh my goodness, Daddy. Look at that tail.